Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android blue light filter not working on Samsung Galaxy. The first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and then toggle off any conflicting accessibility settings like color adjustment, color corrections, or disable extra beam. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon and restart your phone. If the issue still persists, what you can do is head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device. From here, what you can do is tap on accessibility inside of settings. Once you're inside accessibility, what you can do is tap on visibility enhancements and make sure that color inversion or high contrast tones are toggled off and color filters are also toggled off on your device. If the issue still persists, then what you can do is head over to settings on your device again. From here, what you can do is head over to about phone, scroll down, hit reset. Once you're inside reset, hit reset all settings and then wait for your device to reset all the settings. However, if the issue still persists, then you may have to visit the service center as it may be a hardware related issue. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.